Today it is about accepting yourself, and I love my curves. The unfortunate reality of fitness is
Since you prioritize food so much, is there one particular dish that you miss eating? As an actor, you are always in front of the camera,
Yes.
under the camera scanner, by us media people as well.
yes.
And there is also this presumption among all the people that an actor has to stay fit all the time. There is this particular shape that everybody tries to fit the actors into.
Sure.
This is what you want. All men should have the six-pack abs or the zero figure for all the female actors and all of it. What do you believe in? Because in today's time, that seems to be breaking a little bit. What is the present
Yeah,
scenario?
I think
What's the
I
future?
think the good part is our generation is also accepting of different body types. I think gone are the days of size zero as a figure or six-pack abs as a mandate. Today it is about accepting yourself, and I love my curves. I think that's what makes me beautiful. I want to celebrate it, and I celebrate it, and I think for me health is important. But yes, because the job I do is in front of the camera and it's a very visual medium, I like to look my best. Now my best need not be, it can't always be compared to something. If I were to compare myself to someone else, there'll always be something. Someone will be more, someone will be less. That is a never ending quest. So I think that is not the route I go with. I just try to do my best, and I want to come to my optimum all the time. And I feel like that is something that I crave for more than anything perfect, because I think perfection is just it's a very flawed concept. I think there's something unique about yourself, and the idea is to tap that version and the best version of that.
Okay. And what do you do for fitness in that case? What is your fitness routine?
I think, the unfortunate reality of fitness is that 70% is food
Okay.
and 30% is workout. So even for actors, there are times we're working out heavy and we're training properly, but our food goes off track because we're traveling or we are not able to sustain our diet plan the way we should, and it affects us. So it is, because we're human, there is 70% food. So fitness has to be that combination. You have to prioritize food and then work out.
So since you prioritize food so much, is there one particular dish that you miss eating and you'd prefer eating that more if this constraint wasn't there?
I eat everything. That's one thing I don't regret not eating anything, because I eat everything. But of course, there's a quantity that is measured, and or on a given day, if I really want to go crazy, then I go crazy. It's fine. But the idea is to balance it out.